Good morning, bachcho. Today we are here with our worksheet number 31 from the Directorate of Education, that is for class 10th science, and that is from unit life process. Students, your unit has completed, so there is a revision exercise, practice exercise given up to you, so that to check that you can understand easily the concept of life process or not. So let's move with me. First, organelle used as the site of photosynthesis. So what is the site of photosynthesis, student? Mitochondria, cytoplasm, chloroplast or Golgi body, that is mitochondria. Second, state the role of enzyme trypsin in the process of digestion. So what is the role of trypsin, student? Help in the protein digestion. Third one, how is ATP built up during respiration? So student, when we do respiration, there is a breakdown of glucose occurs, and during the breakdown, energy released, and this form ATP. Fourth one, anaerobic respiration occurs in, it also occurs in yeast, also in bacteria, also in humans. So answer is all of the above. What is the functional unit of excretory system, students? Very good, nephron, that is C. And the blood cell responsible for the stopping of the blood means clotting of the blood. It clot the blood. It help in removal of bleeding. Okay, that is C, platelets. Lymph is similar to dash but is dash and contain less. Lymph is similar to plasma. It is colorless and it contain very less proteins. What will happen to a plant if its xylem is removed? So student, xylem helps in the transport of water and mineral. If we remove the xylem, then water transport will stop and wilting of leaf occurs. Due to this, growth of the plant stop and ultimately the plant died. Ninth question, students. The blood vessel bring oxygenated blood from lungs into the heart is dash. Option, pulmonary artery, vena cava, pulmonary vein and aorta. So student, we discuss in our worksheet that the pulmonary vein brings the oxygenated blood from lungs to heart. So option C is correct. 10th assertion, stomata are the tiny pores, student. Very right. Reason, it helps in the gaseous exchange. It also right. So our first option is correct. So answer of 10th is A. Okay. Now I show you the answer of these objective type question. Please note down. These are the answers, student. You can note down from here. Okay. First, chloroplast. Second, in protein digestion. Third, breakdown of the glucose. Fourth, D, all of the above. Fifth, that is C. Sixth, help in clotting, that are platelets. And seventh, lymph is similar to plasma but is colorless and contain less protein. Eighth, if xylem is removed, what will happen? Upward movement gets stopped, wilting of leaf, stop photosynthesis and ultimately plant died. Ninth, oxygenated blood carry by pulmonary vein. And the 10th one is A is correct because stomata are the tiny pores and they help in the gaseous exchange. Let's move back to our worksheet, students, to do the short answer questions. Okay. Here the short answer type question, student. Why does a piece of bread start tasting sweeter after chewing some time? So student, whenever we start chewing the bread, then there is an enzyme in our salivary glands, that is salivary amylase, and salivary amylase convert the starch into the sugar, due to which the bread taste is very sweet. Second one, which is the largest gland in human digestive system? That is our liver. And what is its function? First, it helps in the emulsification of fats. Second, it has gallbladder, student, so it also secrete bile juice. Clear that? Two function, first is fat emulsification, second it create bile juice. Third question, student, list the three events that occur during the process of photosynthesis. First one is absorption. Absorption means chlorophyll absorb the sunlight. Second is conversion. Student, conversion means this sunlight convert into the chemical energy. Third one, student, third one is the carbon dioxide converted into carbohydrate, that is the food prepared by the plant. Fourth question, state the function of villi. Student, villi are the finger-like projection present in our small intestine. And why these are present in small intestine? Because small intestine is very coiled structure. So to increase the absorption area of food, digestion, there are finger-like projections called villi. So they increase the surface area for food absorption. Fifth question, stomata of the desert plants remain closed. How? When they take up carbon dioxide. So student, desert plant carry very less water, so their stomata remain closed to avoid the transpiration. And whenever why they take up carbon dioxide? So student, there is a process that is a CAM, C-A-M. Okay, by this process it prepare malic acid, and when malic acid break down, carbon dioxide produced. Sixth one question, student, gastric gland present in the wall of stomach. There are three gastric gland. First is HCl, hydrochloric acid. Second is our pepsin. Third is our mucus. So HCl means it helps in production of the pepsin. Second one, it also kills the microbes. Second one is our pepsin, it help in protein digestion. And the third secretion is mucus, it protect our stomach wall from the hydrochloric acid. Seventh question, student, what is meant by the double circulation in human beings? Student, there is a two circulation occur twice in our heart. First is pulmonary, second is systemic. I give an explanation to you. You can note down from that. Secondly, eighth question, differentiate between arteries and veins. We discussed in our last worksheet. Arteries are deep seated, they are red in color, they carry oxygenated walls, blood, and they have thick and elastic walls, but they do not contain valves. And veins, they are opposite to artery, they carry deoxygenated blood, they are purplish in color, green or purplish in color, they are superficial, you can observe easily on your wrist, on your foot, and they have thin wall and less elastic walls. How does transpiration help in upward movement? So student, transpiration causes a suction pull, and this suction pull creates a channel. By this channel, xylem create a upward pressure and lift the water and mineral to upward all parts of the plant. 10th and the last one question, explain the process of formation of urine. So student, in the last unit, I also share a link in description, the diagram of the nephron and the process of urine formation, and also I share today the answer. Okay students, let's move to the answer of our short questions. These are the answer of our short questions, students. You can note from here. First, why bread tastes sweeter? Then answer is because saliva in our mouth contains salivary amylase that break down the starch into glucose. Second, the name largest gland, that is liver, student. It helps in emulsification of fats and store the excess of glucose into glycogen and also secrete bile juice. Third question, what are the three events occur during the process of photosynthesis? First, absorption of sunlight energy by chlorophyll. Second is conversion of light energy into chemical energy. Third, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. What is the function of villi, student? It increases the surface area for the absorption of digested food. Why the stomata of desert plant remain closed, student? To reduce the rate of transpiration, as during the night time when the stomata opens, they absorb carbon dioxide and stores in the form of malic acid. And when photosynthesis occur in the malic acid break down and form carbon dioxide. Got it, student? Now move to our sixth question. Gastric gland present in the wall of stomach. 3. HCl, pepsin, mucus. HCl, it facilitates the action of enzyme pepsin. Second is pepsin, it help in the protein digestion. Third one is mucus, it help in the protection of stomach wall by HCl. Okay. What is double circulation? So student, double circulation here, pulmonary and systemic. What is pulmonary circulation? When blood goes from heart to lung and lungs to heart. And what is systemic? When blood moves from heart to body and body to heart. Got it? So it is called double circulation because blood goes through heart twice. Next, our 8th question, student. Difference between artery and vein. We can discuss earlier in last worksheet. 9th one, transpiration of water creates a suction pull. We also discussed it. 10th, formation of urine. So student, there are the 4th step, ultrafiltration. Ultrafiltration means all the blood components are filtered by kidney except blood cells and plasma. Second is selective reabsorption. It means there are selectively some important substances are reabsorbed and back to the blood. Secretion, movement of the water and the glucose from blood to the nephron. And the last one, water reabsorption finally occur in the collecting duct and urine is formed. It is very pale yellow in color because water is finally reabsorbed and it collect in bladder and excrete out by the urethra. Okay students, so these are the process of formation of urine, and you also draw the diagram of nephron by the last worksheet. Okay, now move to our long question. Move back to our worksheet, long questions. First, draw the sectional view of human heart and label it. So student, we have to draw the human heart diagram and label it. Second part, justify the statement blood circulation in fish is different from the blood circulation. Student, blood circulation in the fish is different from the human because human has 4-chambered heart and twice blood circulation, but in the fish there are only 2-chamber heart, so it has no twice circulation, it has single circulation. Second is draw a label diagram of human excretory system. So we have to draw the diagram from our last worksheet and label it. And the function of each. First, function of kidney, it collects the impure blood. Second, ureter, it passes the urine from kidney to urinary bladder, and bladder collects the urine for some time and urethra passes out of the body. There is a difference in the rate of breathing between aquatic and terrestrial. Why? Student, we have to take the oxygen from our surrounding. In surrounding air, oxygen is in large quantity than in the water, and the aquatic organism has to take the oxygen from dissolved oxygen from water, which is very less, so they breathe very faster to take the dissolved oxygen from water. Please note down the answer of the long question, students. First, diagram of human heart you can draw. Second, human, birds and mammals all have 4-chambered heart and completely separate oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. But fishes have 2-chambered heart in which a single loop circulatory pattern occurs, heart to gills and then to body. Okay, third question is human excretory system. You can draw from here, and functions of kidney, ureter, bladder, urethra you can write from here. And the last one I explained to you because the dissolved oxygen is very less in amount than the terrestrial oxygen in our surrounding air. Okay student, let's back to our worksheets. I hope this worksheet and this practice question are very clear up to you. And student, if you like that worksheet, please complete it in your notebook and share among your friend circle, and subscribe my channel Learning Light to get more notification of worksheet and solutions completely. Thank you.